Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Today we're going to be speaking about all-in-ones. This is an all-in-one that a customer brought in, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. So you'll see you've got more of a laptop-sized motherboard sitting in the back and a laptop hard drive. Part of the problem with the all-in-ones is that they tend to generate quite a bit of heat. So you've got heat coming off the hard drive, heat coming off the processor, and because of the size, as opposed to something like this where you've got a lot of ventilation, on the all-in-one you don't have a lot of ventilation, so the airflow is pretty restricted. So the things that we start to see fail on the all-in-ones are hard drives failing prematurely and motherboards failing prematurely. So it's a really good idea to make sure that even if your all-in-one has an AC adapter like this, that it should be plugged into a battery backup, because power fluctuations play havoc with motherboards and hard drives, and if they're kind of temperamental anyway, you want to secure them as much as possible. The next thing is you really want to have it cleaned out about once a year. So if you're not sure how to open up the back of your all-in-one, you can bring it into us, and that's going to make sure that we clean the fans, clean the dust out, make sure that there's good enough airflow. Because if you've got restricted airflow and then you have dust and debris and fans not working correctly on top of that, you're going to generate that much more heat, and that means that your hard drive and motherboard are more likely to fail. So if you do have an all-in-one, just remember, bring it in for a cleaning once a year and make sure it's plugged into a UPS battery backup. And if you've got a regular spinning drive, you may want to consider upgrading that to a solid state drive, because they don't generate any heat and it's going to make it that much faster. I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Give us a call at 281-647-9977.